diaphragm out of Barracuda type of cleaner. This guy here is just a cheapie, but the diaphragm setups inside are all very similar. For this guy, here's the new diaphragm. This is the part we're talking about. How this works, there's an inner and an outer tube here. Water flows up the inside and around the outside, and as this opens and closes, it changes whether the water's going around the outside or the inside, as to whether it pulls it open or whether it closes, and that is what motivates it around. As that opens and closes, it contracts and expands the hose and makes it pump around the pool. So this one's gone all hard and it's not working, although either split or get cut or go hard. This one's just gone hard. So the procedure to get it out on this guy, sometimes there's a spinning ring to get out down here. This has just got two clips that we pull in. You can see on the side here the holes. So we just press that in and then press it forward. Now, motivating it forward, this is now far enough out that we can just pull it out. But you can also get the internal tube here, the light blue one, and pressing it down like that will pop that out. So you can get at it from two angles, and then put that back down. Then the insides come out in two pieces. That is normally attached. That is normally attached onto the top like that, which is popped off. What we do is then, to get the this diaphragm cartridge out, you see this one's well and truly gone. We undo this lock ring to start with, take that off, and then we unscrew this part. That's normally attached, but unscrew this part here. There's a thread on it. Like that, and then it pulls up, and you'll see these pins on here. If you line that up properly, that lock nut will go over the top of that. So you get that out, and once you've got that out, you would normally pull that middle tube through here as well. But at this point, we can get the old diaphragm out. And there we go. Comparing those guys, and now we'll put the new in. We start off by putting the pipe here into this end of it. That's the bit that wasn't connected when we pulled it out. That normally will be. Get that on like that, and then we can poke that up this way in the narrow end. Through the tube like that, and it'll poke all the way through. Here we go. We'll do it different style. Put the camera down. So we need to poke that through there. We just can open that up and pump it to get it through, like that. There we go, and press it right the way through. Home, like that. And now we get that lock ring here, slide it over, and this is the bit that we now screwed. Whoop, there's an O-ring as well. Here it is, there's an O-ring as well. So I push that over, put it into place, like that. And then without screwing that off the end or twisting it, so we want to hold that and do up this lock nut to bring that together. It comes up like that. That's what we want. And then there's another little lock ring here, which sits on the back. That's going to stop that from vibrating undone or coming undone. So that's the cartridge back together, and then that goes back inside the unit. So you just shove it in from underneath, and put it right up inside. Like that. You'll be able to tell from the other end when the pipe's at the right height. And then this lock ring goes back in place. So then you just work that back up inside with those clips to the outside, and that's it, you're done. Cartridge changed. Well done. So there are two main types of cartridges here. You can see the bottom of both those is flat, but on the end of the other type of cartridge there's a little keyway on it, and it sits on a very distinct angle. So before you pop off down to the pull shop or look online to buy yourself a new cartridge or a new diaphragm, you're going to have to determine which of those two main ones it is. As I said, the main edge, the bottom edge here with the circle on it, that needs to be either flat or on an angle with a little keyway on it, and that's really the only two I know of. So if you get that right, then I mean, I'm sure there's someone that's made another copy, but they are the main two, and so you can work out which one you need to get. Finished job, and nicely setting in, and those clips in place. Hope you've got the lock ring rather than those clips, because they're dodgy and really hard plastic. That's designed to fail if I've ever seen it, but just whatever it takes to fasten it back in the front, and that's not going to operate well. It's got a nice soft diaphragm, so it'll vacuum the pool, which happens to be this one here, well and truly in need for a vacuum, and it'll do a great job.